Woven from around 1,000 strands of grass, his nest must not only attract a mate and keep her eggs safe, it must also withstand a monsoon storm. The right building material is essential: bulrush grass. It's pliable and waterproof, but working with it is challenging. And he's tying himself in knots. He threads the strand around a branch, then back through the loop. A faultless half hitch. One down, 999 to go. If his nest is to survive, he'll need a solid foundation. This female will only mate with the best builder, and the other males are putting him to shame. He must up his game. He weaves the egg chamber, carefully tensioning every single strand. But a nest this light could easily be destroyed in the wind. Pellets of clay will add stability. After 11 days, he's almost finished. Will his new build win him a mate? A flutter of her wings shows her approval. But the storm is approaching. He reinforces the foundations, weaving extra strips of bulrush grass around the tree's thorns. With eggs laid, his nest faces the ultimate test: the monsoon winds. His future hangs in the balance. The colony has taken a hit, but many nests have stood firm, including his.